si Atty. Kapunan, nasagad na. Nasagad na yung pasensya. Wala napaka-pasensyo siya ni Atty. Kapunan. Pero sa pagkakataong ito dito kay Atty. Christine Ferrer, hindi na. Nasagad na siya. Unang-una wala na ring respeto itong si Atty. Christine Ferrer. Tinataasan ng boses yung testigo, yung witness. Tapos gumagamit ng mga technique na hindi pwede. Bawal. Bawal mga kabunyog, mga kababayan. Bawal yun eh. O halimbawa, ang isang technique na ginamit nito ni Christine Ferrer ay di ba nagkaroon ng hearing sa sa Kamara, yung House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability. Yung COA auditor noon sinalang na doon. Si Kamura ba yon? Kamura. Oh. Ngayon, itong isinalang ngayon na COA auditor, itong si Silene Del Campo, nandun din. Pero hindi siya sinalang. Parang kasama siya sa team. Pero ang isinalang noon, yung Kamura. Ngayon, ang ginagawa nito ni Atty. Christine Ferrer, kino-confront niya yung witness tungkol doon sa sinabi ni Auditor Kamura doon sa hearing sa Kamara. Bawal yun. Pinaflash sa screen. Do you confirm itong sinabi ni Auditor Kamura doon sa hearing sa Kamara? Siyempre mag-o-object si Atty. Kapunan doon. Bakit siya mag-o-object? Bakit siya ang pinapa-confirm mo nung transcript nung proceedings ng House? Bakit ito ang pinapa-confirm mo? Hindi naman siya yun eh. Dapat ipatawag mo si Atty. Kamura. Yung Kamura, yung sinalang doon. Sa tamang panahon, ipatawag mo yun. Saka mo i-confront sa kanya yun. Pero itong witness ngayon, hindi naman siya ang nagsabi nun. O bakit mo i-confront sa kanya yun? Bawal yun. Foul. Kumbaga, di ba? Bawal na technique yun eh. Ay maraming beses niyang ginawa. Maraming beses ginawa nito ni Atty. Christine Ferrer. Ang dami niyang pinaflash na mga nangyari doon sa Kamara. Mga nangyari sa Kamara. Itong testigo ngayon, hindi naman niya nag-appear sa Kamara. Nasa hindi siya isinalang doon. So bakit mo naman ipapa-confirm sa kanya yung statements na nangyari doon sa Kamara? Parang mali yun eh. Yun na yung mga misleading eh. Mini-mislead mo yung testigo. Bawal naman yun. Foul naman yung ganong technique. Wala eh. Ini-insist nito ni Atty. Christine Ferrer, tama daw yung ginagawa niya. Hindi nga pwede. Ngayon, nag-rule na si Presiding Judge Chis Escudero. I know your technique, counsel, sabi niya. Alam kong technique na ginagawa mo, hindi pwede yan. O, di ba?
Failed to comply with the guidelines and conditions set forth under the joint circular po.
Your Honor, please, if I may interject at this moment.
What is the interjection of Attorney Kapunan?
Your Honor, please, counsel is reading from transcripts. She is reading from transcripts which are, we have judicial notice of this transcripts, Your Honor. But she is reading statements of other people and asking this witness about statements of Hamora, about statements of other people, Your Honor, just by her being present there, Your Honor. Now, if that is their intention, then they should present that witness here. Because that witness can testify on her personal knowledge. You are asking this witness who was just there, she can state that a meeting actually occurred, that she was there. But if you are going to ask her to confirm, for what purpose, Your Honor? These transcripts will show the presence of Hamora. It will show her presence.
I'd like to thank Attorney Kapunan. You did not make an objection, but I would have sustained it. Attorney Christine, counsel for respondent. This was one of the warnings of the presiding officer at that time directed at the prosecution, actually, when they asked for the court to take judicial notice of it, not to use the transcripts to read into the record certain things that is not being testified to by a witness that has personal knowledge over it. If you recall our interjections in relation to the Las Cañas affidavit, this is similar to that. So unless you are referring to the witness herself, who testified there, kindly present the witness that you are reading the statements of, because this is only as to tenor, as to the fact that Camora said this. You can confront the witness through another way, without reading certain statements made, because the opposing counsel might just do this to you at some point, which I will also not allow, to be fair.
Yes, I understand, Your Honor, but
Thank
the
you, Your Honor.
but the witness already confirmed that she was at the hearing. I'm just asking if she remembers that these statements being made.
It's a way and technique, counsel.
Well, anyway, Your Honor, we
Attorney
will-
Kapunan might just do that
Yes, we will
with the
just
transcripts
ask-
at some
No, Your
point, which I
Honor,
also will not allow. So
we will just ask the question at the right time, Your Honor.
kindly do so at the right
At the
time
right
with the right witness,
Your
counsel.
Honor, please, at the right time and to the right witness.
Yes.
This is not the right witness, Your
Just as the presiding officer stated. Move on, Attorney Christine.
Gusto niyang sinisigawan niya, tinataasan niya ng boses yung witness. Ang bait-bait ng witness eh. Hindi naman mayabang yung witness eh. Napakabait nga, napakakalmada nga. Si Sailin Del Campo, hindi yun abogada ha. CPA lang siya. Pero napaka ng mga niya, napaka kalmada, napaka-respectful ng witness, hindi mayabang, hindi halimbawa, ang gusto nito ni Attorney Ferrer. Gusto niya yes or no. Ay hindi naman sabi ni Attorney Kapunan, may mga tanong na hindi mo naman pwedeng sagutin lang ng yes or no. Naman 'yan? Di nag-object na naman si Attorney Kapunan. Nasasagad na sa kanya si Attorney Kapunan. Gumagamit ng mga technique itong si Attorney Christine Ferrer na bawal. Bawal. Ang gusto niya, hayaan lang siya sa ginagawa niya. Hindi nga pwede. Kaya medyo napipiko na si Attorney Kapunan. Sabi ni Attorney Kapunan, disrespectful ka na. Kaya nga nung in-interview si Attorney Kapunan, sabi niya, may mga anak siyang lalaki, marami siyang anak ng lalaki. Pero yung mga anak niyang mga lalaki, respectful sa kanya. Ito hindi. Ito hindi. Kaya medyo sabi ni Attorney Kapunan, na siya, nasasagad na ang pasensya niya dito. Nasasagad na. Kasi nga, marami na siyang inuobjekan. Tagtag na ng objections ang ginawa ni Attorney Kapunan. Hindi pa rin. Talagang ang estilo nito ni Christine Ferrer, gumagamit ng mga foul na taktika. Na bawal. Parang kung sa boxing, below the belt. Nanuntok ka na naman sa below the belt. Paulit-ulit ka na. Di ba? Yan mga kabunyog, mga kababayan. Tapos, na siya, tataas na ng boses itong si Attorney Christine Ferrer. Ay medyo nagagalit na rin si Attorney Kapunan. Kasi na nga siya grabe na yung pasensya niya, yung pagtitimpi niya. Mali naman talaga yung ginagawa nito ni Attorney Ferrer. So sabi ni Attorney Kapunan na na siya, na nasasagad na ang pasensya niya. Mabuti na lang si Chis Escudero, si Presiding Judge Chis Escudero, magaling talaga magaling mag-preside. Sinasabihan niya na itong si Attorney Christine Ferrer, Counsel, alam ko yung technique mong ginagamit, hindi pwede yan. Hindi pwede. Sabi ni Presiding Judge Chis Escudero, mayroon talaga kasing generational divide.
Tanong ko sa'yo, did the circular limit that to crime prevention? Kasi nga sabi mo, kailangan to apprehension. Kasi nga sabi mo, dapat may mahuli. Sinabi mo ba yan sa JC na dapat may mahuli?
Ang nakalagay po kasi sa JC under 4.8.5 is proof of success.
Your Honor, please.
Let the witness answer, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, please,
Mr.
can the-
Presiding Officer, can the counsel be instructed not to stop the witness at mid-sentence, Your Honor?
Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed? You just answer with yes or no. The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions later
Your Honor,
during
not all
redirect, Your
questions.
Honor.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
I don't think I need to lecture you
please,
that.
counsels, let's not allow the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom. Let's keep it a notch lower.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor. That is what I would
Your
have
Honor,
done
please.
in the
Counsel.
generational divide, Your Honor.
Hindi, makikita mo talaga dun ang veterano at ang baguhan. Ang problema dito sa defense, bakit naman isinalang nila mga baguhan eh? Pero ako naunawaan ko. Yung mga veterano, ayaw nilang masira ang pangalan nila. ayaw nila. Yung mga matatanda, mga veterano, magagaling nilang abogado, alam nilang mapapahiya ka dito. Paano mo ididepensa si Sara sa ganyang sitwasyon? Hayaan ng itong mga bata ang mapahiya dyan kaysa mga veterano. Di ba, mga kabunyog na kababayan? Veterano ka, pero hirap kang idepensa si Sara. Hayaan mo nang yung hayaan mo na yung mga bata. Kaya tarantang-taranta na itong si Ferrer eh.